Okay, this is student ID G00116209, and I'm doing a demonstration of the alarm interface circuit that's been constructed on the breadboard. And basically, let me just move the camera a little bit. So the only thing that's actually connected to power in my breadboard right now is the alarm interface circuit, which includes my AND gate, which is this IC chip over here. It's a 3-input AND gate. And then this IC chip right here is basically several NAND gates, and I'm using the NAND gates to act as inverters or NOT gates. And to do that, basically all you have to do is tie the two inputs to a NAND gate together, and then it will just function as a NOT gate. So, and the way this alarm interface circuit works is whenever it will provide a high output at pin number 6, or this red LED will light whenever all three conditions are true going to the input of the AND gate. Those three conditions will be there's going to be three circuits that's fed into this AND gate. The first one will be the output of the comparator circuit. And as you remember, the comparator circuit only provides 5 volts output voltage whenever it detects the two codes are the same for inside the unit as well as outside the unit. Any other instance where those two codes are not the same, there's 0 volts at the comparator. So for an alarm condition to occur, we want the 0 volts output of the comparator. So that 0 volts will go straight to my NOT gate, which is this NAND gate IC chip. That gets converted over to a high to my input of the AND gate. And then my other input to the AND gate will be my arm disarm latching circuit. And that will only provide a high whenever the system is on. So for simulation, just to test this particular circuit, the alarm interface circuit, I ran that input straight to high to simulate the system being on. Now the third input to that AND gate is the distance sensor detection circuit. So whenever the distance sensor detects a package, it provides 5 volts, but for an alarm condition, we want a low or 0 volts. So to simulate that in my alarm interface circuit, I'm running a low or ground straight to my NOT gate, which then gets converted to a high going to my AND gate. So when all three inputs are high, I'm getting the alarm condition, which is indicated by the red LED. And to test the voltage of that output when all three conditions are true, I'm just going to connect my lead to my multimeter lead from pin 6, which is the output of the AND gate, which is on the top of this resistor, my 220 ohm resistor, and then basically to ground. And as you can see, if I can get a good connection there, I'm getting about 4.7 volts. Right. Okay, so with all conditions true, the AND gate output provides a high around 4.7 volts on the breadboard. And that will conclude this simulation of the high condition. Please watch the video for when I simulate the low condition. Thank you.